This video demonstrates how to configure IPsec VPN on the Wall 1600Z S-Series cloud-managed firewall. IPsec VPN supports two deployment modes, site-to-site and hub-and-spoke. Next, let's move on to the procedure for configuring IPsec VPN in site-to-site mode. As shown in the figure, Network A and Network B are connected to the Internet through Firewall A and Firewall B, respectively. Network A belongs to 172.16.1.0 and connects to Firewall A through GU02. Network B belongs to 192.168.1.0 and connects to Firewall B through GU02. An IPsec tunnel needs to be established between the two firewalls to enable secure communication and resource sharing between LANs. Before configuring IPsec VPN, complete basic network configuration according to network planning, which is not shown in this video. The device supports two tunnel configuration modes: custom tunnel configuration and configuration using the tunnel configuration wizard. Here, the wizard is used to configure IPsec VPN. Configure Firewall A. 1. Log into the eWeb of the firewall, choose Network, IPsec VPN, Config Wizard. The firewall automatically detects whether the current configurations meet the conditions for establishing an IPsec VPN tunnel and displays the detection result. Click Next. 2. Perform basic configuration. Enter the tunnel interface. Enter the tunnel name. Select the deployment scenario. In this example, select site-to-site. Click Next. 3. Configure authentication. Set the remote address to the IP address of the external interface of Firewall B. Set the outbound interface to the local external interface for establishing the VPN connection. Set the pre-shared key. Click Next. 4. Configure interesting traffic. Click Create. Select Subnet to Subnet. Set local network and remote network. Click Next. 5. Confirm the configuration. The system predefines default security parameters for IPsec tunnel negotiation. In this example, the default values are used. If they cannot meet negotiation requirements, you can modify the values as required. After verifying the configuration, click Finish. The device automatically adds the tunnel to the custom tunnel configuration page. In this example, the IPsec configuration wizard is used, and the system automatically creates routes, security policies, and other configurations related to IPsec VPN. If custom tunnel configuration is applied, you need to manually create these configurations. IPsec VPN configuration on Firewall B is similar. In this example, perform the following steps. 1. Choose Network, IPsec VPN, Config Wizard. Click Next. 2. Perform basic configuration. Enter the tunnel interface. Enter the tunnel name. Set the deployment scenario to site-to-site. Click Next. 3. Configure authentication. Set the remote address to the IP address of the external interface of Firewall A. Set the outbound interface to the local external interface for establishing the VPN connection. Set the pre-shared key. Click Next. 4. Configure interesting traffic. Click Create. Select Subnet to Subnet. Set local network and remote network. Click Next. 5. After verifying the configuration, click Finish. 1. After the configuration is complete, check whether hosts on the intranets at both ends can access each other. 2. Verify IPsec tunnel status on the eWeb of the firewalls. If a device connects to a Fortinet FortiGate 100F series device, verify the following configurations. The default encryption algorithm, authentication algorithm, PFS, and DH group in the two negotiation phases on Fortinet devices differ from those on Ruijie devices. Therefore, ensure that these parameters on both devices are consistent during configuration. By default, PFS is enabled on Fortinet devices and disabled on Ruijie devices. When PFS is enabled, ensure that the DH groups in the current phase are the same on both devices. Ensure that the pre-shared keys of the two devices are the same. In the topology, if Firewall A is a Ruijie device and Firewall B is a Fortinet device, you are advised to perform the following configurations. Thanks for watching this video.